I'll accelerate, the wedge is accelerating towards left, and this is some sort of connected here. So this is string. I want the tension this string.
Sir, is that connection movable, sir?
No, no, this is fixed. No, it is like this. It's a fixed here. This will be. It's like an inch. I'll do one thing. I'll make some other arrangement. Okay, no. You have to find out the tension this string. So very simple problem I'm giving. So let's do that in the first, the ground frame. Same problem. You do that in the wedge frame. Okay, work out here. So you have to find out the tension this string. Let me show in either frames. Okay, this is, so there's a person. And there's a person P. So let's come for this one. So what person Q says, what is the state of block? Block is at rest, and E sees there's a tension acting. String is taut, and the tension is acting. Then what the person Q says, the tension is acting and the block is at rest. We'll balance this tension. He is not bothered. He just says tension is acting and block is at rest. So and what is the person Q? Is accelerating frame, no? Non-inertial frame. So pseudo force is what we are missing. So that pseudo force, I'll show it here. So this pseudo force, you have to take it in this direction. Is that okay, no? So now the writing equation account to person Q with respect to Q. Here only write it. With respect to Q, T minus MA naught equal to 0 or T equal to MA naught. This will be very difficult for you here. What person P will write? The tension will accelerate the block. No better explanation here. Are you looking at this? There's no better explanation for person P. Why the block is moving. He said this string is taut and the tension will make it to accelerate. The tension will make the block to accelerate. That's the only thing is what the person P will say. What about person Q? Person Q will give a better reason. No? While string is taut, the pseudo force is pushing towards right, is acting towards right on the block. Because of that, the string is taut. Now you ask person P, why string is taut? He'll say, I don't know all. Why block is moving? Because of tension. So tell me like where you can learn the problem better, where you can learn the system more clearly in the wedge frame. If you are on the wedge, you can give exact reason why string is taut. Why string is taut? Because pseudo force is trying to pull the block towards right. That is countered by the tension in the string. That's why the string will become taut. Means the pseudo force will try to pull the block towards right. String will become taut. Tension will act. Tension balances pseudo force. See this equation now. So tell me like where the learning of problem is, or where we can learn the system very clearly in the wedge frame. No, there is a reason why we are entering into non-inertial frame. Otherwise, no necessity of it. In the ground frame, I can't give reason why string is taut. I don't know. Is that okay? Why string is taut? Why string is taut? I don't know. You'll say like, I don't know that one. So here the person Q will give exact reason why string is stout. The pseudo force is trying to push the block towards right, but the string will oppose it. That's why the string is stout. Person Q can't measure, but at least what happened, we can you say that the string is stout, that one. So we know that one, there is some pseudo force is what happen, imaginary force or pseudo force or imaginary or fictitious force, what happen, we should introduce. And since say the person Q now, like he knows physics a little bit, is writing equation. Nobody will see any of these forces, where you can learn the system in better way. In the wedge frame, we can give exact reason. There's the idea here. Okay, I'll take you to the next condition.